This is weird as goddamn hell. Right, Chin Chin? It's so like blue and weird and sparkly and shit. No, don't worry, don't worry. Hey, calm down. We'll be home soon. I'm getting the hang of using this thing. I don't know why it's a bathtub though. That's the one thing I still don't get. Ah, why are you hitting me in the face? I was having such a good nap. Where are we? Oh shit, was that me? I didn't drink that much this time, right? It's probably fine. We could probably patch it up in like an hour. No, this thing's fucked. This is not moving. Hey, it's okay. We can set up a little camp and then figure out what we're going to do. And totally not procrastinate and not do anything useful with our lives. Don't look at me like that. Can you please speak in words? I'd like to have an actual conversation with you, not judge what you're saying based on the tone of it. Okay. We will grab some wood, we will make a campfire, and then we will sleep, and then we will figure out where we're going to go next. Oh shit, that took way longer than I thought it would. How are you doing? You comfortable? You warm? Oh, that's great to hear. Oh, now we just gotta figure out what the fuck we're going to eat. Not you. Like I don't know, a squirrel or something. What the hell made us crash, Thoas? Did you see anything? Wait, you did? Wait, what did you see? Oh, for fuck's sake. If this was the time you speak English words, it would be now. I don't know what that means. I can't just like, I don't know, list every possible thing it could have been and then have you give me a meow of agreement or disagreement until we figure it out. We will be here all night. Yes, I know we will be here all night anyway, but I would like to do something else rather than list things. Was it a dog? God damn it. Was it a spaghetti monster? Ah, no, wait, I already said that. Let's talk about, I want to talk about something else. I want to stop listing things. Who was the murderer? You know? Like, we got out of that place, and more people died, and we still don't know who the murderer is. They could have... Was it Picolas Cage? Okay, he was kind of weird, and so is his, like, the bald friend. I don't know his name. Do you know who did it? You do? Well, we're going to run into the exact same problem we just had. So, you know, I don't know, learn English or something. Yes, I know my English is not that great, but yours is worse. All you can say is meow. Have some more of the vocabulary. We are both very tired and a bit annoyed. So let's calm down and go to sleep, get some nice rest, and we will be fine in the morning, okay? Oh, wait, what the fuck? Where's the gun? What? Chin Chin, wake up, where's the gun? Where the hell is it? I had it in my hands. Did I drop it? Did I eat it? Is it up my ass or something? Is it up your ass? What the hell? Is someone out there? Hello? Anybody? I can't have moved this myself. Is someone out there? Jen, I don't think we're alone anymore. This thing heavy as shit, man. Oh, look, a house. Hello, is anyone here? You've got a very nice house that's hopefully empty, and I would like a house that hasn't got other people in it. Where is everybody? I guess I'm all alone then. Free house! Yes! Today is my lucky day. Aside from, you know, crash landing in the middle of nowhere and ending up in like some fucking swamp place. Things are starting to look up. I agree. Probably. What do you mean, why are the windows boarded up? Which I'm asking myself. I don't know myself. Why are the windows boarded up? Chin, why do you think the windows are boarded up? Yes, I don't really want to find out either. Good thinking. Chin, be very quiet. Stay here. Hello? Are you a raccoon or a person? Or an other? What are you? Better be a goddamn raccoon. A raccoon with a gun? No. I'm just a raccoon. Aha! No, there's no one there. What was that? Is somebody out there? Or something? No, please don't be something. No, actually don't be someone either. What is that? What are you? Where are you? Please show yourself. I want to know that I'm not just... Ah! What the hell? What happened? What? Oh, what? You have really nice eyes. Could I have your number? I knew you were an evil thing, not a hot person. No, seriously, where the hell have you gone? Hello? Whoa, what the fuck? Ah, what the fuck again? Where are you, weird thing? Show yourself so I can shoot you and not miss or have the bullet go through you or whatever happened. Why? Go bother someone else, why don't... Oh, I thought there was something behind me for a minute. I'm glad there definitely was not anything behind me the whole time. Where have you gone now? Chin, where are you? Chin? Where did you go? Chin! Are you out here? Oh! What? Chin, where are you? Oh, that was a really good throw, but it really hurt. ugly motherfucker, you're going to pay for what you did. Oh! I see you. What are you waiting for? I'm not armed. Come at me. Stop edging this skill, man. Do it already. What's taking you so long? Wait, what are you doing? Wait, get up! No, stop! No, not like this! I thought you were going to stab me! No, don't do this! Can you... Why are you doing it like this? Please get off me! No! No! Get off! No! Wait, what? Chin Chin? No, Chin Chin, don't actually die! Oh, come on, where the hell is it? What? Listen here, whatever the fuck you are, if you can even understand whatever the hell I'm saying, only one of us is going to make it out of this alive, and I'll be damned if I'm going to make it easy for you. bring me here? Why here?
Yeah, Bathtub, what the hell you doing taking us to goddamn random places of little to no significance, goddammit?